I'd like to show you how to integrate an NMR spectrum. If your NMR spectrum was processed automatically, it was probably automatically integrated, and if the integrals aren't being displayed, you can right-click on the screen under Spectral Display Preferences. Make sure that integrals and integral labels are highlighted. Okay, they're highlighted, and apply and close. So the spectrum was integrated in this way. You may or may not be happy with the way the spectrum was integrated. More likely you will not be happy with it, and you'll want to integrate it yourself. To integrate the spectrum yourself, you should first expand the spectrum, the region of the spectrum you're interested in. Enter the integration subroutine. Click the icon that says Select Deselect All Integral Ranges. When I do that, the integral ranges are selected with green on the bottom. Then click on the red X that says Delete Selected Regions, and then it's asking me if I'm sure. I'll say yes. Now I can integrate the spectrum manually by clicking this icon that says Define New Region. When I click it, it lights up in green. To integrate the spectrum, you simply click and hold down the left mouse button, drag it across the peak that you're interested in, and then let go. So click, hold, drag, let go. Left click, hold, drag, let go. And you can go through the entire spectrum in this way. I'm going to leave out the solvent peak. Once the spectrum is integrated the way you want, you can calibrate the integrals. For example, if I know that this resonance represents 1 proton, I can right click on that integral and then click on delete current or calibrate current integral, and I'll calibrate it, give it a value of 1. If there's an integral in the spectrum that you don't want because you think it may be an impurity or something like that, you can click on that integral, right click on it, and click on delete current integral if you want. If you said, oh, that's a mistake, I really want to integrate that, you can reintegrate it by just dragging across it. These integrals are now given values that are scaled with respect to this integral at 1 ppm. Once you're satisfied with the integration, you can click on Save and Return. And you can see that both the integrals and the integral ranges are in the spectrum.